Hello guys, thank you for watching this video. In this video I want to show you the bank account that you can use and put in your Amazon KDP account or any other publishing platform that you are using to publish your book and receive your royalties or payment. Alright, so without wasting time, let's proceed. Okay, so the first bank that I would recommend is WordFirst. WordFirst is one of the strongest bank that you can use right now and receive payment online from your publishing platform. All right, so it is the strongest. I will rate it 5 star. I will rate it 5 star. So although it will stress you when trying to register an account with them, and that is why you should join my Telegram channel. The link will be in the comment section of this video, and in that my Telegram channel I'll create a video and put it in that my Telegram channel where you can learn. In that video you are going to learn how you can create an account with WordFirst and then verify it, and then you link it to your Amazon KDP account or any other publishing platform that you use and start receiving royalties from the platform, from the Amazon KDP, etc. Do you understand? But if you try to register this account by yourself, it might stress you. All right, it might stress you. So that is the reason why you should join that my Telegram channel, so that you can see that video on how to create this WordFirst account. It is one of the best. After Payoneer, I would recommend this bank. I also rate it 5 star. Do you understand? So another bank is Pong. Pong is good. It looks like a Chinese bank, as you can see, but I believe that the Nigeria Africans can also use it and receive payment from publishing platform like Amazon KDP, etc. Do you understand? So just come here and click on register. This is the website, pingpong.com, pingpongx.com. The first one, which was WordFirst, is wordfirst.com. Do you understand? So this Pong bank account, I think it is very good. If you check, you see that there's Amazon this thing logo here. They write Amazon, they list the platforms that they are working with. So this is good. I think this bank is good, and I also rate it 5 star. It does not matter how it looks like a Chinese bank, it does not matter, but you can also use it and link it to your Amazon KDP or any other publishing account after creating this Pong account. So just come here and click on register, and then you sign up, and then that will be all. If you encounter any challenges during sign up, so you can just channel the challenge that you have into our Telegram channel. The link will be in the comment section of this video, and then we will sort it out for you. Do you understand me? And then another bank is Airwallex. I will give it 4 star. Airwallex, I will give it 4 star, and I think it's good. It is very good according to my research. It is very good. So this is the website, airwallex.com. So make sure you can also try this bank out and see. All right, so those of you that are having challenges in knowing the kind of banks you should use and link to your publishing platform, you can also try this Airwallex. All right, it is good. I think so. Right, so another bank you can also try is Verto. I will give it 3 star. I'll rate it 3 star. The reason why I rate it 3 star is because during my research, during my investigation about this particular bank, I did not really see Amazon KDP related stuff about it. Do you understand? I did not really see that people are using it for publishing, right? Although I only saw one person online saying that he's using this particular bank account to receive payment from Amazon, but I do not know whether it is Amazon KDP or Amazon FBA or any platform under Amazon. Amazon is like a brand name. There are other departments under Amazon. Do you understand me? KDP is a department under Amazon. FBA is another department under Amazon, and there are other departments that are too numerous to mention, which are also under Amazon. So I don't know whether it is Amazon KDP that the person is using this platform to receive payment. I tried to send him a message. I've sent him a message for some time now. I've not seen a response from him, so that's the reason why I say I don't really know. So, but you can just try it out and see, and if it works, you can just join our Telegram channel and tell us, and and give us updates that it's working. If it doesn't work, you can also tell us that it's not working. Do you understand? So another one is Cenoa. I will give it 2 star. I will rate it 2 star. Why I will rate it 2 star is because during my investigation about this bank, I did not really see something that has to do with Amazon. It's a great bank anyway. It's a great bank. People are using it for online businesses, etc. Do you understand me? But I don't really know if Amazon can accept it. But you can just try it out. All these banks that I'm listing here is for you to try out. I think there are 5. All right, but I just give this one 2 star review, in the sense that during my investigation, I investigated all these banks. During my investigation, I don't really see something that relates to Amazon online, but it can work. So you can just try it out and let us know in our Telegram channel. It's not all these banks that I use. I have an account with WordFirst. WordFirst is good. The next account that I want to create is Airwallex. Okay, Airwallex is the next account that I have in mind to create. Okay, so you can just try it out. So another one, the last but not the least, is Elevate. This is the website, elevate.bank. all right. So this one, you can just try it out. But before you try all these banks, make sure that you first of all try WordFirst, Pong, and Airwallex. And then after that, if you have any issue or maybe it stress you, you can now come to banks like Verto, Cenoa, and Elevate. Do you understand me? So that is that. If you have any question to ask, drop it in our Telegram channel. The link will be in the comment section of this video. And also, if this is your first time coming across my video on YouTube, please do well and click on that subscribe button, and also turn on your notification bell to see more interesting videos like this next time when I upload. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.